Hello. Rice and beans? No. Hey, okay, we're making rice and beans. This is gonna be good. This is how you make it. You just need some boiling of back white rice, Mexican cheese, chili beans, salt, butter, a pot, spoon, and a horse head. So basically, first thing you do is you take 4 cups of water, pour it into the pot. Easy. Put it on the stove. Get your white rice. Boom, bam. Take the spoon from earlier, shove it on down in there. Next, what you're gonna want to do is go down here, find your burner, and turn it on. Stupid oven! There you go. So you just keep it on high, let it boil, and go from there. So by now, your rice should have floated up. Just push it back down like that. Get back in there. Now what you're gonna want to do is take your plate, and usually, while the water is getting all, ready and stuff, I'll take my beans and I'll put them on the plate. Of course, these beans are just from showmanship. I got my actual bag of beans right here, which usually I use about half the can, so I gotta store them somewhere. The bag's good. So just, pour your beans onto the plate, like so. Alright, once they're on the plate, just take them over to the microwave. Bada bing. I usually put them in for like 30 seconds or so. Bada boom, done. Now, while those are being done, you can go over to your horse friend and just... Alright. So by now your beans should be microwaved. I'd recommend just leaving them in the microwave so that they'll stay warm. So just, leave them there. In the meantime, maybe you should give your horse friend some snaz realignment surgery. By now, your water should have been boiling for, 8 minutes or so. If your rice looks ready, what you're going to want to do is just turn it off the burner, let it sit for a minute. In the meantime, go get your beans from the microwave. They should be, these need a little more microwaving. Anyway, though. So yeah, just take your rice, take your spoon, and try to get a little Try to get a little bit of a hold, if that makes sense. So just try not to burn yourself. Just like, damn it. It's kind of hard, but yeah, just get a hold. Ow! Hey, I've got no idea what happened there. That clip kind of just deleted itself. Basically, just hoist the rice out of the water, drain it, put it on your plate with your beans. Now you stir it around a little bit. Whew, that's hot. Take some butter, like so. Why is this blurry? Just plop that on. Take some salt if you want it. Is that good? Okay. Yeah, take some salt if you want it. So yeah, just stir in your butter, stir in your cheese, like so. Let all that melt together and create a tasty diabetic concoction. You're going to want to stir this a lot so that the beans and the cheese and the butter and everything can get really mixed together. Tastes best that way. Please note, eat this hot. It does not taste good cold, unless you're an Eskimo. Maybe if my phone storage would stop messing up, I could actually get some good shots. But anyway, by now, everything should be melted together, everything should be great. Take a nice bite. It's good, but this meal is not for you, because, obviously it's for your horse friend.